Chapter name is Akashah Patati. Sky is falling. Ekah vanam asti. One is the forest. Tatra sasakah nivasati. There lives a rabbit. Sasakah sayanam karoti. The rabbit is sleeping. Parna patati. The leaf fall off. Sasakah bhitah bhavati. The rabbit gets scared. Sasakah dhavati. The rabbit is running. Srugalah agachati. The fox is coming. Sasakah vadati. Srugal brother dhavatu akas pattati. The rabbit says, run brother fox, the sky is falling. Sasakah dhavati. Srugal anudhavati. Rabbit is running. Fox also run after him. Vanarah agachati. The monkey is coming. Sasakah vadati. Vanar brother dhavatu akas patati. Rabbit says, brother monkey run, the sky is falling. Sasakah dhavati. Srugalah anudhavati. Vanarah api dhavati. The frightened rabbit runs away. The fox is chasing. The monkey is also chasing. Sinha agachati. Sinha vadati. Kimartha dhavati. The lion is coming. The lion says, why are you running? Sasakah vadati. Sinha brata dhavatu akas patati. Sinha vadati akas patati va kutra patati. Rabbit says, brother lion, run, the sky is falling. Lion says, the sky is falling, where it is falling. Sasakah gachati. Sinha api saha gachati. Rabbit went, lion also went. Sasakah vruksamipam agachati. Sinha vadati kutra patati akas saha kimapi na vadati. Rabbit came near tree. Lion asked, where is sky falling? Rabbit didn't speak anything. Sinha hasati. Lion is laughing.